Let me show you some awesome pivot table hacks that will make you much more efficient. Number 1. You don't have to manually format the layout of your pivot tables each time you create a new one. What you can do instead is to click on the File tab, then go to Options, click on Data, and here, select Edit Default Layout. Since I had a cell in my pivot table selected, it directly references that cell, and I can simply click on Import to import the current layout settings of my pivot table. Awesome. Now click on OK, and then click on OK again. Number 2. Unfortunately, the default pivot table layout option does not preserve the previously set style of our pivot table, which can be quite frustrating. However, this is easy to resolve. Simply select the style you want as default, right-click on it, and choose Set as Default. Number 3. Even after setting up default pivot table layouts and styles, there's still a problem. Our chosen number format doesn't save as default, meaning we have to fix it every time. A smart solution to this issue is to add the data to the data model when creating your pivot table. Once your data is in the data model, navigate to the Power Pivot tab and click on Manage. Here, you can select the entire sales column, format it as needed, and then simply close the window. Now this is great because every time you create a new pivot table from that source data, your number formatting will always stay consistent.